Hey friends, if you encounter Unarc dll returned an error code 1 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what we have to do. First of all, we need to open our browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and hit enter. Now go to the Visual C++ page, scroll down and click on x64 and click on open here. Then click on repair. Okay, this should fix the problem, although you may have to install it as well. For some systems it would be installed, and if it's already installed there would be an option to repair. But if this doesn't help, then straight away perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will definitely solve your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.